Welcome to EGH British Cars, and for something really different, today we're at the Strasburg Railroad in Strasburg, Pennsylvania, which is the oldest continuously licensed steam freight service in the United States. And they also run passenger excursion trains, which we shall go, and a shop tour at noon, which unfortunately we will not be able to show you much of because they don't allow photography inside and the shops are very dark. It'd be very difficult. But as you can see, there's some of the cars behind me. So let's go right on the train. And there's the station. I think they're getting it all dressed up for fall harvest and Halloween. That should be the cars of the train that we'll be riding on today. More view of the little village area. This is Strasburg mortuary track. I hear people are dying to go there. Now vacuuming the leaves up too. So we're just across the street from the Museum of the Pennsylvania Railway, which is really something to see. If you get a chance, you should go there. And of course, we're also in Amish country. See everybody just going about their everyday life. The Pennsylvania Railway Museum's got a lot of outdoor stuff and beautiful stuff inside. If you got a day, you should go. Fire going in there. You can feel the heat from here. So this is the Parlor Car, number 88, Marion, where we will be taking our ride today. And the Parlor Car has a bar. The dining car is right next door. There's the heat. Some sort of a probably coal burning stove. And look at the freaking gorgeous woodwork in here. All been restored in their shops. A lot of work in here. And people who really knew what they were doing. They have to replace most of the outside wood on the cars, but they really strive to save the interior appointments.
But in all cases, we try to keep it accurate to the period of 1910 to 1930. And these cars were used on a variety of eastern railroads in central Pennsylvania and in northern New England, including the Boston and Maine, the Philadelphia and Reading, and the Western Maryland lines. Now, these cars are made of solid oak and mahogany, with a mother-of-pearl inlay on the paneling between and above the windows. And if you happen to notice the coal-fed pot-bellied stoves underway on board today, they are not just for looks, folks. They can actually work. If you ride with us in our colder weather months, you'll see just how practical and comfortable they really are. All these cars were carefully restored by our master craftsmen in the shops of the Strasburg Railroad.
Comes our train to recouple. felt that. There's the train coupling and making sure that it's tight. And sadly, our train ride is ended. This is the engine coming back around to hook up to this end of the train for the next set of happy travelers. Successfully coupled again. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I know I sure did. Love riding on steam trains. The shop tour is really fantastic. If you get a chance to come here, I strongly suggest that you take the shop tour. It's only at noontime every day because they are active shops, and that's when the regular workers stop for their lunch. So usually the youngest guy or the newest guy on the shop crew gets to guide the tourists around the shop while everybody else eats lunch. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.